Now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
What's amazing about that SpaceX stuff is how many thousands of people will sit and watch a computer screen all day when they're going to do it, just a static fire. And there's 10, 15,000 people online watching just to watch it go, and it's done. Pretty amazing stuff happening there. It's all starting there. Here's a look at what's going on tonight across the valley. 70 at Edinburgh, everybody else in the upper valley in the 60s. A little warmer at the coast, 74 at the island, 71 in Port Isabel right now. Overnight tonight, most of us will end up in the upper 50s except the beach and Brownsville at 60. Clouds are going to thicken up a little bit. Might even be some patchy fog later on. And then tomorrow, we're right back up in the low 80s again. Our high today was 83 here in Weslaco, and we'll be about the same tomorrow under partly to mostly sunny skies. The winds will start to take on a southeasterly component, so that will start to bring slightly warmer, slightly more humid air in, but emphasis on the word slightly. We go 83, 84, 85, so just a degree a day. Records are all up around 90. The normal for this time of year is 79. Cloud cover-wise, we've had some today, but tonight skies are mainly clear. But again, I think those clouds will thicken up overnight for a while, and then in the morning we're back to partly to mostly sunny again after that cool morning. That sunshine and warm temperatures back in the 80s. And then we kind of repeat that process on Friday, although you notice just a little more cloud cover. There's a green dot, a stray shower. I mean, really stray, less than 10%, probably, 3 or 4% of the area, if anything, would see a shower. Rest of South Texas, 65 in San Antonio, Houston's 59, 60s all the way up in the Panhandle. There is not a front anywhere in sight, in Texas at least. So tomorrow, another cool start with a warm afternoon. A front kind of knocks on the door of the state on Friday, but it's not here yet. But with that southeasterly wind kicking in, we start to see a little more moisture, so perhaps an isolated shower. Let's go forward all the way to Sunday, and it's the same kind of thing because the fronts are a long way off. Monday, we get a front close. Here it comes, and it stops, bounces off the valley, and goes back to the north. There's a warm front. So any cooling, if there's any, it'll be very brief, and it'll be gone. So take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. All the way up to 87, reset to 80, go back up, but we do not expect anything dramatically cooler, and your rain chances look like this. I can't completely rule something out Friday or Saturday, but barely. 20% for Sunday, and then 10% for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So for tonight, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are dropping into the upper 50s across the region. East-southeasterly winds about 5 to 10, and then tomorrow, back up to 83, partly to mostly sunny with a warm afternoon. East-southeasterly winds at 5 to 10. Here you go, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. There's your 87, the warmest of the bunch on Sunday with an isolated shower. Slightly cooler on Monday, but not dramatically so. Still 80 and right back in the mid-80s. And if we had a day 8 on here, if there was one more, it would be in the mid-80s as well. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.